how to order from Mulebuy. So you want to open up the browser on your phone and go to the website mulebuy.com. Here you will search for the product that you want to purchase. So let's say wallet. So here, after typing out your product, it's going to take a little bit of time to load, but let's say that we want to purchase, just give it some time to load here. So all right, so let's say that we want to purchase this one, Kangaroo wallet. You go to the specific product, verify your integrity here, and wait for the website to load yet again. Okay, so it has finally loaded. You want to add the product to your cart. Choose the variant that you want to purchase. I'm going to choose this version here and just add it to your cart. After you have it added to your cart, click on the cart in the top right corner. Then you want to check the product which you want to purchase. So click on the check mark next to the product and then click on submit order. From here, it's going to take us to a new page. Click on confirm here after reading through the information and then checkout. So it's going to ask us for the country where we want to ship this to. So destination here, it's going to detect our country and toggle this, checkout. I don't know why it's so slow today, but here you have to go through the payout process. So choose your preferred payment method and just pay for your package. Afterwards, it's going to ask for the address. Just go to the prompt, submit your address, and you will receive your package. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.